Hi, welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, May 22nd, 2023. I'm Giovanni Betancourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. Well, we're here again at the beginning of the week, and so again, we come with the same way to analyze the markets by taking a look at how Friday's close. So we on Friday we closed to the downside after almost reaching 14,000. We have opened, however, today with a gap down. The RSI is borderline with overbought territory. So therefore, at the opening just now, we could speculate that the market will attempt to make a close of this gap or that it will continue to move lower. So I have my support at 13,500 for the Nasdaq. Then we have here the S&P, same token, open with a gap down. The momentum could probably continue to push the index lower. Initially, that 4,200 psychological barrier will be our support. We were traders were looking at for a couple of days. See if we could probably close above it, and we did. But however, today could probably be exhaustion for this rally, and so therefore a pullback can be contemplated. Then we have the same token for the Dow Jones, and a gap down, momentum to the downside can be contemplated. However, in the crude oil market, we are seeing basically that the market has come to a stall. It is not just really trading around the $72 marker as a pivot. Will it trade lower, push back down to 70, which is this initial psychological support level, and then down to 68? So far, we could probably contemplate that. We did open with a small gap down. It has been closed. So therefore, to the downside is the way to go, perhaps. Then we have Nat Gas also that opened with a gap down. It hasn't been closed per se, but it is moving lower. So 230, it could be the initial test for support. Then we have gold as well, pushing lower. 1950 is my support. Let's see if if it does continue to trade lower. 1970, 1960, no, could be other supports. Then we have silver, and it's also looking to trade lower. There's low volume in here though. Then we'll take a look at copper. Copper also trade open with a small gap down. It has been closed. So therefore, a movement to the downside could be in the works. Then we have Bitcoin that is looking just really also in a consolidation stage. Let's see if it'll make out a breakout to the upside. The currency is the euro opening with a gap up. It has barely, no, it's been closed, this gap. So therefore, we contemplate a move to the upside. That's where we are inclining towards to. And then if this thing loads, it will be the pound. Here we have the pound also open with a gap up. It has been closed, so therefore we are favoring longs. The dollar index open with a gap down. It has been closed, and so therefore, because of the selling and whatnot, all of this talk and talking about 14th Amendment being applied, could there be the case that the dollar index will lose momentum and then lose shine and then just come down towards our support of 102,500? That could be the case. Stay tuned. We'll be having more volatility today, this week. Have a nice one.